Samsung's Galaxy A32 smartphone has been launched in India, making it the second A-series device to launch this year. It sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, and powering the phone is a MediaTek Helio G80 SoC coupled with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. There's a 64-megapixel quad-rear camera setup and a 20-megapixel selfie camera on the front. Keeping the lights on is a 5000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging, and the Galaxy A32 is priced at $21,999 for the lone 6GB RAM 128GB storage model. The device is available to purchase via Samsung's Indian website, offline stores, and other leading online portals. Drone and camera equipment maker DJI has launched the FPV, a first-person perspective drone. The FPV features the agility of racing drones with a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 2 seconds and a top speed of 140 km/h with various flight modes at hand. It also sports a 4K 60fps camera that can relay a 1440x810 60fps feed to the DJI FPV Goggles V2 that can be worn by both the pilot and up to 7 more people. Priced at $1,299, the DJI FPV Drone is available to purchase from the firm's website and authorized retail partners. OPPO's F19 Pro series is set to be launched in India on March 8th. The series includes 2 devices, the F19 Pro Plus 5G and the F19 Pro, but specifications for both are yet to be revealed. Tipsters have said the smartphones will get AMOLED displays and prices are expected to begin from around 20,000 rupees. Game developer King has announced that its Crash Bandicoot On The Run mobile game will launch globally on March 25th this year. The title features new social features along with depth and progression to the game. Being a part of a 25-year-old franchise, On The Run also sees classic characters in the game, including Dr. Neo Cortex. The free-to-play game will be available at launch to both iOS and Android users, and those that pre-register will get the Blue Hyena skin on launch day. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S6 tablet has reportedly begun receiving the Android 11-based One UI 3.1 update in select regions. While users with the LTE model in Germany have begun getting the update, users in other regions are expected to receive the upgrade soon. 2.2 GB in size, the update also brings with it the March 2021 Android security patch.